Here we are in Palm Coast with a Hunter Pro C. We're going to check the programming on this controller to see if it's set for the correct times. So what we want to do, the time is correct on here, the date is also correct, but let's look at this start time. We have a start time, if you can pan in on that, it says 9 p.m. Not a great time to water your lawn. Why? Because if it sits there all night long, sounds like a Lionel Richie song. What it's going to do, it could possibly create fungus in the yard itself. And when it sits there for so long, it could also keep it damp, the grass damp. And here in Palm Coast, Florida, you could start to get dollar weed. So the best thing to do, and dollar weed is a invasive little species. It's about the size of a silver dollar, about like that, and it'll just start growing through your lawn. So let's take this and put it at a better time. Now he's got 8 hours exactly. We did this calculation earlier. 8 zones, 8 hours because he got all rotors and all drip. And so that needs to be off according to county rules by 10 o'clock. So let's start this thing at 1 o'clock in the morning. Then we're guaranteed we're off by 9 a.m. and everything will be good. So the simple way to do that with a start time is to get it on that start time. And now we can just start, if you can film that, increasing and bumping it up until we get to that 1 a.m. And there we are, 1 a.m. Let's talk about one other thing that we find so many times. Each one of these Pro Cs, in fact, almost every controller out there, except maybe an Orbit, has these instructions, programming instructions on what to do, but nobody really pulls it off and realizes what's on the back. And what's on the back of that? A watering schedule. So it's so cool to actually diagram where everything is. Drip east, drip west, drip south. That way, when your irrigation guy comes back, he knows exactly where everything is and doesn't have to guess like we had to guess, because multiple drip zones on here, very difficult to find sometimes. You have to walk around for 20 minutes listening, turning it on multiple times to hear the actual drip line go on. So use your watering schedule and just post it on there. And that way, when your irrigation guy comes on to your property, he knows exactly where everything is, saving you their time and your money. This is Brian with My Irrigation Guy. Have a great day.